Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna just keep this shit real, alright? Savage Mind. Yeah, 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 I do it for my city, I do this for my hometown. I do it for everybody, nobody bringing me down. I do it for all this music and all who have paved the way. Now I do it for myself, I'm switching up the game today. I was growing up, they said I got rhythm. Now I follow dreams like a religion. Working for peace, I hate all division.
Them boys is quick, boy. We're gonna be calling it a day. And commence tomorrow. Probably remove this. Maybe do a hallway light somewhere up here. Not sure where, but you know, got the door. You know, it's not even that bad. You know what I'm saying? You walk in. You know, you got your closet. You know, maybe your little bed here. Whatever you're gonna do. Anyway, that's that. We'll be putting this mirror, which was the factory. Not the factory. Was the closet sliding doors that came with the property. Those will be in here between this. And then we're gonna put some shelves in there, you know, for your Jordans or whatever it is, whatever kind of shoes, your Jordans, your heels, whatever it is you wear, they're gonna be up there, you know. And then we have the bar, jackets, shirts, whatever. Now this, we still have to remove this and open this beam up and basically do the frame the opening. There would not be a door here.
You recorded me?
Yep.
So proud of you. I was going from the bottom, we're going from the wall.
Situated you. Let me get some paper.
Okay.
In my board. Let's be professional. Let's try to be professional here. Okay?
I just put it all on my phone because you know I'm that new millennium, you know.
Whatever.
You know, old school handwriting, that's cool.
Whatever. Okay, so I think the stock height or the height for the room is like 7.5 feet, right?
For code, it's 7 feet.
All right. Oh, that's even less. All right. So, right, if you, so we have a lot of clearance
Yeah.
for the roof. Oh, that's some new stuff.
Here. All right.
All right. So, right, that's like 8.
8 and some
Eight.
change, right? Eight and a half.
8 feet 5.5 inches, right?
Yep.
So we can literally take, you said 7 feet, right?
Yeah.
So I was thinking 7.5, which would put it, or 7 and 5 inches, which would put it right there above the pipe, so they can build the floor up
They're
right
gonna
there.
build the floor up, okay. So
And then-
so basically you're gonna build the floor up to right here?
That's what I was thinking.
Okay.
Just to like get rid of all this
Above the pipe or below the pipe?
above it.
Are you gonna go above the pipe?
Well, it was just to get rid of all of that stuff, but I guess I could go below it and they could just trim it
Yeah, just trim the pipe
and then
around.
hollow it out.
Yeah, that's what I would do. Cause that just gives it a little bit more height.
Alright, so this side is 7 feet 8 inches. Ooh, shit, almost. So you know what we talking about.
Oh. Is this for your YouTube show?
Yeah, this is for the tubes, dog.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so this is the floor plan that I did. It's not great, it's off. So she gonna fix it.
Help him.
Oh, I don't need no help. from here,
All the way, let me see, put your foot where,
it's gonna be a hallway here. So,
to where your foot is right now.
here.
I'm just following the orders.
Nah.
So this is 11 feet wide.
11 feet wide.
Yep, exactly 11. This one is length.
13, I think it was.
No, more than that. Coming out at 16.1. She told me come over here and measure some shit. I'm over here measuring shit. I'm following
Nah, dog.
orders.
This
clear.
ain't your house.
Exactly, which is why I'm taking the measurements I was told to take.
This ain't your house.
It's her house. I was sent to do a job, senor.
Man, you got this rinky dink.
This is 12 feet.
Well, let me go write that down.
Get on there. Right on there. 10, but just, so it's 10 feet wide. Man, I should have did it over there. I can't even get to the wall. of this. 13.3. Alright, now second bedroom. This is the bedroom. Alright, this is 10 feet.
10 by 10.
I think it is 10 by 12.
It's fucking hot in here.
It's hell out of here. I got home to my AC.
Whatever.
Over here got people sweating. 10 by 9.8.
You gotta get closer to that.
You can see that?
You know what you're doing?
Do you know what you're doing?
Alright, back to what I was doing. Before I was interrupted. You locked them doors?
No. They were unlocked when I came in and they were unlocked when I left. You worried about something
And that will conclude the update. They're planning to do some work today, so we'll see how far they get. I'll probably take a little bit more video, or get some pictures or something like that. But it's coming along pretty quick, which I'm excited about. And hopefully when they're done with this section, we can get started on the other section. So tune in for that. I'll catch y'all next time.
Persecuting the system, find it worth in my rhythm. I don't question, I move them. I don't stop, I pursue them. Dreams, goals, no illusion. Like my mama pray. I'm a mama, I'm gonna make it out here in the bay. Travel far so I can have a better life. Got